capital. The COVID alarm continues in New Delhi, ladies and gentlemen. 2,419 cases and 2 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours. Deaths have been reported for the 5th straight day in a row, ladies and gentlemen. Positivity rate now stands at 12.95%. So the COVID alarm continues in the national capital, where, as I've been saying, 2,419 cases have been reported in the past 24 hours. 2 deaths have been reported in the past day. The positivity rate in Delhi currently stands at 12.95%. I'm joined by Rupashri Nanda, who tracks the Delhi government. Rupashri, over to you. What more are you getting from the Delhi government when it comes to this rising positivity rate and the COVID alarm in the national capital?
Well, it remains to be seen whether in the coming week there would be any meeting either by the Chief Minister or by the Lieutenant Governor in order to understand whether something more needs to be done. But as of now, we are learning that all precautions that have to be taken in terms of preparedness, that is already in place. However, when it comes to compliance of COVID appropriate behavior, a lot more needs to be done, and whether the government is going to take any steps in that direction is something that has to be watched out for. It does not seem likely at the moment, and the reason essentially is because perhaps the capital has gone through a series of COVID waves over the past 2 years. And now, even if the test continues, as you pointed out, for the 5th day in a row, and that is extremely worrying, but still figures are usually under 5. 5 was the highest that has been reported this month. And therefore, that is one of the reasons why the government is not unduly alarmed or issuing any sort of advisory or taking any anything out which could be called out of the way in order to contain the disease. It believes that it is under control, but because it has been noticed that the graph is steady and it is rising, the cases are rising steadily over the past few days. The number of deaths are consistent, and positivity rate today has shot up to nearly 13%. It remains to be seen what the government would do in the coming days, but as of now, the situation is under control.
Right. Thank you, Rupashri, for joining us on the broadcast. So the COVID alarm continues in the national capital, but the government is for now taking a wait-and-watch approach to assess the situation before taking any decisions when it comes to containment. We'll continue to track all the developments which are coming in from the national capital. For now, a short break. More news and updates on the other side.